Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do this window shopping mission in Skate 4. So what you'll need to do is go right here and get some speed, of course. So set your session marker right here, take your skateboard, jump on one rail, and try to jump on the other. So only then you will do this gap task. So try to moment that, as you can see like this. So let's try it again. Okay. As you can see here, you need to do an ollie, so you can do it not in one sequence. It will be easier for you. But here is a little bit tricky part to do an ollie 10 meters after doing the gap between rails. So right here, do an ollie, as you can see. And right now, do a flip trick right here, and you'll do all the tricks right here and tasks in this mission. So to do all above in one sequence, you need to spend some time and practice it and do in one sequence. So that's pretty much it, and see you guys in the next one.